If you clicked on this video, then you must be in a situation where you cannot export your CapCut video because you used a Pro feature. Like this video here, I cannot export it normally because I used a Pro feature. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to export your videos without paying for anything. The first thing you do is you press Ctrl A to select all the content on your timeline. Then after selecting everything, you right click, then you take create compound clip. Everything on your timeline is going to be joined into a single video, making it much simpler. And now the next step, you're going to select your video. You go to video, you scroll down, so you find this motion blur, then you select it. When you select the motion blur, you can leave it at 100% or you can bring it down to 0%. When you bring it down to 0%, it's going to start processing here. As you can see, mine is at 1%. The time at which it is going to process from 0% to 100% would depend on the speed of your computer and the size of your project or the video you're editing. So you simply have to wait for it to reach 100%. When it reaches 100%, I'm going to show you what to do next. Stay tuned. Alright, our motion blur is complete. Let me give one warning. When you apply the motion blur to your video, make sure that before doing the motion blur, you must have already completed everything with your video. Because if you apply this motion blur and it is processing, then you're adding some other features to your video. Those features are not going to appear on the video that you extract. So before applying the motion blur, make sure that you're done with your video and you just want to export it. Given that you've done that, let me show you what you're going to do next. When the motion blur is complete, you're going to click away from your video. Then you come here to this path. You know this last digit here. It might be a project name if you enter a name for your project. This one is 0606. You click on this menu. Then you come to settings. Here, you're going to see this path. We cannot copy this path. We need to close the project before we can open that path, because we need to copy that path and paste it somewhere to get the actual location where it is. Close this project. After closing your project, you click on this settings icon. Then you click on settings. To open this window, you click on the first option here. You click on this folder icon. This is going to open this window. Here, you simply click on this space above the file names here. Click on this space. It's going to highlight everything. On your keyboard, simply click on Ctrl C or you click on Ctrl X. Right, when you click on that, you close that window. Then you can quickly close this one. Then on your keyboard, you press Ctrl R. Then here you paste what you copied above. Use Ctrl V to paste it, or you can just paste it normally. Then you click on OK. When you click on OK, it is going to open this window here. Let me maximize it. This way you find your video after you've exported using that method. Remember the name I said you should not was 0606. So this is it there. You open it. Then in here you look for resources. Open it. Then here you're going to look for video LG. Double click on that to open. Then in here you're going to find your project. You find two folders, this one and this one. This one here is your project, so you can copy it from here and paste it in the different location. Or you can simply just drag it and drop it in the location you desire. If this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up to keep us growing. If you have any difficulties with any software, give your problem in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you with a tutorial video. So see you in the next one.